Good evening. Today is Friday, March the 4th. It is 6:52 in the evening. Been a nice day, and let's actually look at it. I am not disclosing the company name yet, but I've been running yesterday with it for second half of the day, and I've been running today with that company all day. And I did from about 10 o'clock, 10:30, something like that, till what? Right now, 6:50 was when I completed my last delivery. Had quite a bit of downtime as well. And I made myself $201. So, here's something to every single one of you out there. If you want to make between 500 to 1,000, maybe even more a week, let's chat in person. You can find my phone number in about section of the YouTube. So pretty much, where you have the videos and all that stuff, just kind of, scroll to the right and select about channel. And in the description you'll find my phone number. I will teach you and I will help you. We will analyze your market. We will understand what's happening in your market. We will look into, and now Grubhub is trying to okay, so Tokyo Express, sure, why not? It pays me to go home. Okay, so we're heading towards Nicholasville. So that's gonna be another $15 added to that total for today. I did 150 yesterday, from about, I want to say 12 or 1 to 8:30 or so. But I did also had 2 roadies and I think 1 Grubhub. So that was kind of it for the last night. So what I'm saying, and I do apologize because I kind of lost my thought. So we'll actually go look at your market. We'll look at what we'll sign up for multiple apps, analyze which apps are doing what, and because of analyzing the market, understanding which app is doing what, and getting you to the comfort of doing what I'm going to teach you, I can help you get to where you need to be, whatever that amount is and how much you're willing to put into it. Sometime in the tougher market you can do, and with almost no apps in the area, and that can be something similar to where I started dashing here in Kentucky, in Denver area. Yeah, in that kind of a market, it's going to be a little bit challenging to get to 1,000. Now, if you're willing to drive to a city, or you are in a decent city, we can find a couple apps, teach you how to multi-app, and get you to that dollar amount that you need to make. There is no reason why people shouldn't make the money that they need to make. People should not be forced into employment and working for minimum wage. So if you believe you are the person that willing to change your income, willing to hustle and willing to work and make the money, give me a call. Be blessed.